Hello everyone. For today I'd like to make a woodworking gouge, and for that I've got this small piece of 1095 steel, and this piece is a 1/4 inch thick by about 2.5 inches long by about a 1/2 inch wide. I would like to give a shout out to two guys for their donations, and those guys would be Peter Houtmeyers and Anthony Watkins. Thanks very much, fellas. I do appreciate it. I'm going to forge this piece to shape and then just normalize it and use it like that. And then after some use, if I find that it can't hold an edge, then I'll harden it and temper it back some. But I think just normalized this 1095 steel will be suitable for this style of woodworking gouge. To be honest, initially I was planning to make a socketed style chisel, but as I just started on this, I realized this piece is just too small, and as it happens, I also wanted to make a gouge, so here this is. But I will make a chisel and likely in a socketed style in a future video. So here I'm going to file to see if I can remove some steel, but as you can see, and maybe here, it's just too hard even in this normalized state. And so a really underused technique is hot filing. So get your piece up to temperature and grab a file that's maybe an older one that you don't care too much about, and go at it this way, and you'll be surprised how quickly you can remove material. One of these days I'm going to get this vise on a more stable base. And so I worked through a bunch of grits in this manner, and this grit here is 2000, so I'll just give it a quick try. I made this ferrule from this piece of pipe. You may remember this Chinese style spoke shave that I made in a previous video. I really like using this tool. The wood is a type of Asian ironwood, the same as I use for my hammer handles, and it's so short because I want to make this a palming style gouge. You may also remember this little chisel style hammer that I made in a video way back.